First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Biswarup sir in his absentia, ma'am, and entire team of IBR, and also everyone who has contributed towards our success. And after he won the record, there are many who's calling me and asking, like, how do we go about the record? How do we create a record? Like, what are the procedures? That is now why I am telling this. That is a kind of motivation all of us are getting from such kind of a recognition. So yeah, my second child, as soon as she entered the room, she's asking me, where is my photo? So now the next time I can tell her, if your photo has to come, you have to work for it. So yeah, we all are, so many kids are getting motivated for, for such a function. And then today is even more special to me because this boy's birthday, it is his birthday today. So, happy birthday, Nana.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Namish. We all are so, yeah. So all of us are so proud of him already, and I hope he makes us even more prouder in the coming days too.
Absolutely.
Yeah, thank you.
Very true.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to IBM, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Tell me something about the record he has made.
Actually, he identified 100 plus construction tools and equipments when he was 3.5 years.
Okay.
I actually didn't know that he could do so much. Got to know Indian Book of Records through word of mouth, and then I started training him for this purpose.
Okay.
And he picked up very early.
That's
so I have to thank Indian Book of Records for telling that kids can achieve so much.
Age is no limit.
Yeah, age is just a number. Yeah, as they say.
So he can do anything. Matlab, like any kid can do anything.
Even without telling that kids could do so much, because of this record, we will be motivated to do beyond our capabilities.
Right. How old is he now?
He is turning 5 today. Is his birthday. Today is his birthday. Yeah.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, and what about his sister?
She's 2.5 right now.
Okay, she also is planning something.
Planning to try out, but I know even kids should cooperate for it. We cannot force kids to do this. So yeah, I'm planning to do it.
Right. So, Namish ke liye, what was the inspiration behind that? From where did you get the inspiration?
I got actually he's my best inspirer. Actually, when I started to training for the record, the response that I got from him inspired me a lot.
Okay.
So he inspired me to do more and more. He showed me what he could do.
Right. So he's a keen learner, I think. He can do anything.
No, I was actually surprised to know that he could grasp so many things. If not this record, I wouldn't have known that he has got that capability.
Of course.
Yeah.
So what was the impact on others when they got to know that he has achieved this thing?
Part, so many around me, so many people who know me call me and ask, like, how do we do this record? How do we go about it? What is the procedure? Is it possible from our side? I just gave them the information, and then it is motivating so many other people to push forward in whatever they want to achieve.
That's wonderful. I would like to know what was the journey behind that. When did you come to know about the IBR?
Okay, so I got to know through his school. There was one close kid of mine who actually got a record in the Book of Records.
Okay.
So he was the only child to receive the record in the entire school, and they gave him recognition in our school.
In the school
so when I saw him receiving the award, that was my okay, why can't I try this with my kid? Because he was also taking a lot of things, whatever we tell him.
Right.
So from there I saw, and I thought next year he must also be taking receiving an award from his school.
Right.
So that inspired me, and moreover, the response that I got from him motivated me even more.
कुछ और बताइए आप क्या मतलब what kind of difficulty did you face?
No, ma'am.
While telling him that you
No,
have
I did not face any difficulty. In fact, I was actually telling him, he was, when I started training him for the record, I used to give him practice for 2 or 3 times a day. He used to ask me, we will try once more. He is like telling me, like, we will try once more. I was only tired flashing him the cards, but he is not tired repeating the, the names.
Right.
So he was like, we will try once more. He was like having a track of his time. He was telling me, like, okay, this time I have made I have told this for this much time. Next time I will reduce the time. So that was the response that I got from him. I did not face any difficulty either while recording, for the training him for the record, and through the record, the process of this record wasn't at all difficult. It went on very smooth.
Thanks for coming here.
Thank you so much for the
Namesh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come again for another record.
Sure.
Sure?
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
welcoming us, ma'am. It was a warm welcome. It's very nice
Thank you, ma'am.
being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.